ekombegeria Teacher Service Commission igokia kia motogotiri sana.
Thank you. Mogano ino ronda getwere eyano yo erere.
Yes. Omonogeri bwe bunge enene ya Kenya Moske Moses Masika Wetangula wakili umaete lichi kungiri gukwana umaete ngekiombegia Teacher Service Commission igokere independent according to the constitution na kyokebwenete kulika abalimu na kuraria mabaga na kubatenenera you see na kwane kingwa wale meshari bwenete so bono igoba kumirisane kero Moses Masika Wetangula agotebanga amabaga
na shameless ACTV
Iwa
nechi kamera akakwana ki
bagoteba iga bwana Wetangula alisema mwishoni mwa wiki kwamba baadhi ya wabunge huandamana naye hadi Ikulu na kupewa hadi barua 10 za ajira za walimu, lakini baadaye uziuza kwa shilingi 1400 kwa kila mzazi.
Yani nganko enda bale Statehouse babunge baegwa marube 10 yokolika bali
ngoko ba ngoko ba Statehouse
ekero bairwe.
Yes,
bamanye goja baoneria abananchi bonere in his wisdom or lack of it igabuge tenga bono igagukwana koja
wakona ela bia emsubwago
igaro jenga tigakwane igago kya abananchi ngaiga jumba abumbo bebere bogoria marube bia yake banganto boli naki maruba yanga yakuru to begin with ngo bwentali kabalimu. That is why byombe bi mukirigoro and I want by mukigoro speak ye substantiate tebenga ki maruba yanga yagoja
nero korai gekusi kia babunge which Statehouse baigwa maruba 10.
Is that the procedure? Indika omwana omotaka olensa igo tabwati connection mona siasa ondara ali kubwano graduate tia konya nyina
bantu mbale baganyire balikwe mbanya kulikwa
and you will see mubunge tayo tenene parliament go seek a statement kurwa so speaker because you speaker nerego neretenete proceedings chi National Assembly na nero kukwane bintu binga bunebe.
I think Moses Masika Wetangula bwanyora sti contradiction chi nyingi sana timete mu chanuruli as in compared to Amason King,
and is a
lawyer,
is a senior politician in this country
and a lawyer by profession. Bana tigakore ga kiro botirura CPC
bingo isane binte binga yomo choko liyo chiete bwana abantu bali kuri korengana no mwaka gotira umuntu kanyerere to maitenga kango ikerunde where is that thing go who is even the CEO of Teacher Service Commission?
Oh no,
he should issue a statement.